Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Maricel Galang.
Mm-hmm.
I'm huh?
How old are you?
I'm 34 years old.
34 years old. Okay, are you single or married?
I'm married.
Do you have children?
Not yet.
You don't have children. Okay, when would you be able to start working?
As soon as possible.
Okay, do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, from Sharjah, my in-laws.
You have your in-laws. Okay, please describe your last job. What was your last job in Abu Dhabi?
My last job in Abu Dhabi, I was a housemaid in
Okay,
nanny for almost 3 years.
for almost 3 years. Okay, so how many children were under your care?
We are two children.
Okay, how old were the children?
They are now 5 years old and 4 years old.
5 and 4 years old. Aside from looking after the children, what other responsibilities you have with the family?
I'm cleaning the house.
Mm-hmm. Cleaning the house.
All household chores.
Okay, do you also cook for the family?
Only basic.
Basic cooking. Okay. What did you like most about your last job and why?
Um, Cleaning the house.
Cleaning the house. Okay, so describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house? How do you clean the living room? How do you clean the living room? Okay, where do you start? For example, you do dusting, vacuuming. What do you do first in cleaning the living room?
Uh, I vacuuming the carpet
Mm-hmm.
and also change the cover.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how about the kitchen? How do you clean the kitchen?
I dishwashing the plates.
Okay, wash the dirty dishes. What else? Aside from washing the dirty dishes, what
Cleaning
else?
the all
Cleaning. Mm-hmm. Okay, how often do you clean the bedroom and how many times in a week do you change the bed sheet?
every day.
E- Every day you change the bed sheet?
Yes.
Okay. So how about the toilet? How often do you clean the toilet?
Uh,
Hmm?
in the morning, then I'm checking in the afternoon.
Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I can't hear.
Mm-hmm. What would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Okay.
What are you going to do? Hmm?
I will say good morning and what do you want?
Okay, are you going to call your employer to confirm with them if they're expecting a delivery or not?
Yes, yes, I will call them.
Yes. Okay, so you said you can cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
What kind of food?
Yeah, what kind of foods you can cook?
In my experience, I cook before I cook only drink.
Mhm. So, but you know basic cooking. You know basic cooking.
Only pasta.
Mm-hmm. Pasta. You can only cook pasta.
Yeah.
Which activities do you perform with kids? Like for example, what favorite activities? What
Pardon, ma'am?
favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
I'm playing them when they play. Like
Playing?
yes.
Aside from
And
playing, what else?
when they have a assignment from school, I teach them.
Okay, so what do children like best about you?
I'm I'm playing them when I'm playing them.
Okay, so if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
When I what, madam?
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do?
Uh, I will do. I will.
Are you going to do first aid, or are you going to call your employer immediately to inform them?
I will call also my employer.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
Yes.
Okay, which
While sleep.
ones? Which ones? Which light chores you can do?
Like ironing.
Ironing. Okay. So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child? As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay, so
Yeah.
give example. When are you going to say no to a child?
When they get something hard for them, they will hurt.
Okay, so if it is dangerous or bad for them, you will say no. Okay, so the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child? Mm-hmm. What are you going to do to entertain the child?
What will I do when?
The child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours gap, what will you do to entertain the child? Mm-hmm. Are you
First,
going to play with them? Are you going to teach them with their school assignments? What are
yes,
you
I will
going to do?
their school assignments.
Mm-hmm.
Then I
Mm-hmm.
make them dinner.
Yes, dinner will be served at 6 o'clock. So during the 3 hours gap, what other activities you will give to the children? Playing, aside from playing, what else?
Play.
What's that?
We can play.
Okay. So give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why should they hire you?
What will
Yeah.
I will
What's that?
efficiently.
Mm-hmm.
I will work efficiently the
Mm-hmm.
best I can.
Okay. So they should hire you because you're efficient. Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from 8cb.com. Thank you.